In this video, I will show you how you can change the display language in Twitter. So first you need to open the Twitter, which is X now, and after that on the left side you will see that more option. Click on that and click on the settings and privacy. And after that you will see that there is a accessibility, display and language. You need to click on this arrow, and on the right side you will see the languages. You need to click on that, and after that you will see there is a display language, and right now my English is the display language. Click on that and click on the drop down, and here you will see that these are the supported language in Twitter. So for example, if I am selecting Urdu, so my language will be changed, and here you need to click on the save. Once you save, then your language will be converted into Urdu. So right now I'm not converting into Urdu. My native language is English. So that's all for the today. So if you think this video is supported, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.